Good morning, students. This is Anjana. Today I am going to tell you about the first poem, that is the things that haven't been done before. The poet of this poem is Edgar Albert Guest. In this poem, the poet firstly wants to ask you, what kind of person do you want to be? Do you want to follow your dreams and do the things that haven't been done before? Before coming to your poem, in this poem, the poet describes the story of Christopher Columbus, how he found a shore. The author says to stay strong and faithful about his dream if they want to successful. Nowadays, people have no patience. They are always unable to take risk. People want to follow the footsteps of others. The poet gave example about Columbus because actually he faced many problems before he found America. He failed, but he didn't lose hope. He was trying and lastly he succeeded. Simply the poet said, until we would try things, we will not able to do anything. The things that haven't been done before, those are the things to try. Columbus dreamed of an unknown shore. Columbus, Italian explorer who sailed across the Atlantic from Spain in the Santa Maria in 1492, hoping to found a new road to India, is thought to have discovered America. He is thought to have discovered America at the rim of the far-flung sky. Rim edge, a place where the earth and the sky fails to meet. Far-flung sky, far-flung, the far area, distant area. And his heart was bold and his faith was strong. He is saying he was not nervous, he was full of faith. As he ventured in dangers new, ventured, he was going to travel to new places. He was going to take risks in his life. And he paid no heed to the jeering throng. Paid no heed means he did not pay attention to the jeering throng. Jeering throng, a crowd of people who was made fun of Columbus that he is going to discover America, or the fears of the doubting crew. Crew, the people who worked on Columbus' ship. He even did not pay attention to the people who was doubting whether he would found America, whether he would discovered America. The many will follow the beaten track with guideposts on the way. Now in this second stanza, he says that so many peoples are, they think they want to do the things they have been done before. They don't want to do anything new. With guideposts on the way, they live and have lived for ages back. Means they want to live same life that the people lived for ages back. They don't want to do anything new. With a chart for every day, chart, a list of things to do. They always want to do the same things they were habitual of doing. Someone has told them it's safe to go, because someone has told them there is no choice, there is no advantage of taking risk on the road he has traveled over. And all that they ever strive to know, ever strive, and they try very hard, are the things that were known before. They all want to do the things they were known about, the things they don't want to do anything new. A few strike out without map or chart. A few strike out. Now in this stanza the poet says, but some people are there who want to do new things independently, where never a man has been. They want to do new things. From the beaten path they drew apart. From the beaten path, the path they have been done before. They want to come to the new part, do a part, move away. To see what no man has seen. They want to see the new things. There are deeds they hunger alone to do. They want to do something new. Deeds are the works here. Though battered and bruised and showed, they suffered while doing something new. They blaze the path, be the first to do or to discover something that others follow. For the many, they discovered something new. They didn't follow the old path, who do nothing done before because they want to do something new. They want that they know they do something new and everybody, the other persons will follow them. The things that haven't been done before are the tasks worthwhile today. Are you one of the flock that follows, or are you one that shall lead the way? Now he wants to ask to all of you, do you all want to follow the path that will be followed earlier by the earlier ages, or you want to do something new? You want to be the leader. Are you one of the timid souls that quails? He wants to know to all of you, do you want to become the people who are afraid of doing anything new or feel frightened? Show that they are frightened at the ears of a doubting crew, or dare you means doubting crew, the peoples who were with them in the ships, they were making fun of him. Whether you win or fail, strike out for a goal that's new. Now at last, he wants to say that come out and wants to do something new so that the people will follow you. Now students, all of you will listen and watch a video carefully to imitate the intonation and rhythm of the poem.
Things that haven't been done before, those are the things to try. Columbus dreamed of an unknown shore at the rim of the far-flung sky, and his heart was bold and his faith was strong as he ventured in dangers new, and he paid no heed to the cheering throng or the fears of the doubting crew. The many will follow the beaten track with guideposts on the way. They live and have lived for ages back with a chart for every day. Someone has told them it's safe to go on the road he has traveled on, and all that they ever strive to know are the things that were known before. A few strike out without map or chart, where never a man has been. From the beaten paths they draw apart to see what no man has seen. There are deeds they hunger alone to do. Though battered and bruised and sore, they blaze the path for the many who do nothing not done before. The things that haven't been done before are the tasks worthwhile today. Are you one of the flock that follows, or are you one that shall lead the way? Are you one of the timid souls that quail at the jeers of a doubting crew, or dare you, whether you win or fail, strike out for a goal that's new?